Hi there, everyone. Welcome back to Bunny's English Adventures. Today, I've got a special friend with me. Say hello to Emma.
Hi, Bunny. I heard you're going to teach me some polite ways to ask questions in English.
That's right, Emma. In English, polite questions and requests help make conversations friendlier and more respectful. Ready to dive in?
Ready as ever.
So, one way to politely ask for something is by using could you. For example, you can say, could you help me with this?
Got it. Could you pass me the salt? Like that?
Perfect. That sounds very polite, Ma. Now, another polite phrase is, would you mind? This is great for asking small favors, like, would you mind opening the window?
I see. So I could say, would you mind showing me how this works?
Absolutely right, Emma. You're doing great. If you want to be extra polite, you can start with, I was wondering if, for example, I was wondering if you could help me find this address.
That sounds really polite, Bunny. Like, I was wondering if you'd like to come over for lunch?
Exactly. You've got the hang of it. Don't forget adding please makes any request sound nicer. Like, could you help me, please? Or would you mind waiting, please?
Please really does make everything sound friendlier.
It sure does. It's a small word with a big impact. When you offer to help, use polite phrases too. Try saying, can I help you with that? Or would you like some help?
I'll remember that, Bunny. Thanks for all the great tips.
You're welcome. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking politely in no time. Emma, you did an amazing job today. Remember, using polite questions and requests helps make conversations smoother.
Thanks, Bunny. I'll keep practicing for sure.
That's the spirit. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell for more Bunny's English adventures. See you next time.